Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see Manage Insider Risk Management Forensic Evidence. Well, what is the management forensic evidence? Insider risk management forensic evidence provides security teams with visual context during investigations, helping them better understand and respond to potential data risk. With customizable event triggers and built-in user privacy protection controls, forensic evidence enables visual activity capturing across devices. It offers features like visual capturing, customizable triggers, user-centric policy targeting, and strong role-based access controls. Forensic evidence integrates seamlessly with existing insider risk management features and requires tool authorization for policy creation. Key features would be to visual capturing of security related user activities, customizable triggers and capturing options, user-centric policy targeting, strong role-based access controls, deep integration with insider risk management features, trial capacity up to 20 GB for captured clips. And if you want to enable it, let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, so I am logged on to the portal, and if you go to Insider Risk Management on the left, you would see this option, Forensic Evidence. Forensic evidence is an investigative tool for viewing captured user activity to help determine whether the user's actions poses a risk. When turned on, we can configure settings that apply to all the users whose forensic evidence requests have been approved. Right, so let's say you will turn on from here, decide when to start and stop capturing event activity, right? Upload bandwidth, offline capturing, and now alert detection. And if you want to submit a request, right? So you have to configure approved users for forensic evidence. We cannot just enable it for all the users. I have to submit a request. So if you click here, it will take you to the Microsoft documentation, capturing options, supported platforms, and how you can. User subject to capturing must have explicit capturing request and approval, right? So this is an extra process not included as part of configuring other insider risk management policies. User assigned to the insider risk management or insider risk management admin roles would submit a request to the users assigned to the insider risk management approvers. I'm the SOC analyst who is submitting, and then other team members of my team would be approvers, right? With having the management approval role group, they will be eligible for any clip capturing options, right? So this requirement helps support organizational scenarios where your insider risk management admins must get explicit approval from your designated legal or human resource personnel before capturing for any user is enabled. And then device must be onboarded and have the Microsoft Purview client installed. Before forensic evidence can collect and store clips captured for eligible users, their devices must be onboarded to the Microsoft Purview compliance portal. Additionally, each device must have the Microsoft Purview client installed. These prerequisites enabled support for both online and offline device capturing. Now, if I have the access of the approver, I can see the pending request. I can approve or reject the capturing request. I can revoke capturing approvals. I can create and manage notification templates. And then I can view the captured clips after the request has been approved and I have the forensic clip captured, right? Now each captured clip would include date and time, device name that is also onboarded, activities, the username or accessed URL during the activity, application which user has accessed, or active window title. Then I would see all those alerts, generated alerts by the policies. I can view or review forensic evidence captured on the forensic evidence tab on the alerts dashboard. So if I would have the alerts configured, I can, when the forensic evidence is turned on after the approval, I can see those alerts under the forensic evidence tab and take actions accordingly. So I'm sure this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.